we don't have any connection with our families or anyone inside Iran. But before that, most of the Iranian, they are scared about the war because they don't know what's happening. It's the war is exactly right now damage everyone inside Iran. Is not just the army or Revolution Guard. Everyone injured right now, and they are in a bad situation. It's the underground church right now try to help other Iranian or other people they can do, but it's a underground church. It means a very small church with a small number of the money or product they have to help. Yeah, it's my experience right now.